It is a great privilege and even greater responsibility for me to address you on this second day of the Kwazulu-Natal Coding and Robotics Conference. Indeed, through the Provincial Coding and Robotics Bootcamp, which was held last Friday on the 7th of August 2026, we witnessed as KZN what is possible when government, educators, learners, specialists, institutions of higher learning, development partners and industry come together around a shared vision. Today, however, we must move from possibility to purpose, from exposure to implementation, from programs to sustainable systems. Hence our theme, I quote, from awareness to advanced problem solving, programming and innovation of code. It is a statement about the learner we want to produce, the education system we want to build, and the future we want to create for KwaZulu-Natal and South Africa. We must first acknowledge that coding and robotics is a development imperative. We must locate coding and robotics within the broader developmental agenda of our country, starting with our Constitution in the Republic of South Africa, which places education at the center of our democratic project. In that document, Section 29 recognizes the right to basic education. The right is not merely about getting children into classrooms. It is about creating the conditions in which every learner can acquire the knowledge, skills, and capabilities required to participate meaningfully in society. The National Development Plan 2030 calls for an education system which is capable of producing learners with the knowledge, skills, and capabilities required for a changing economy and society. The NDP, colleagues, we must always remember, it also informs the country's medium-term implementation framework. And whenever I talk about the NDP 2030, I normally remind everybody that we're now very few years left to 2030. Looking at you around the house, most of you will still be teaching and will still be working around 2030. But some of us will then be staying at home. We'll be the grannies in the country. We love very much South Africa.